Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca. I had started a video and apparently my phone decided to reboot. So we'll try this again. I'd like to say something about Scruffybear.ca. First of all, that we don't drop shift. So orders are taken, immediately fulfilled, and we either ship the same day or the next business day, depending on what time the order is made. Also, we have a Facebook store, and we soon will have an eBay store, as well as the online store at Scruffybear.ca. And right now, we are having a discount of 10% to all our products. This is to commemorate the new season. It's running from October 3rd to October 16th, so you can get some really good deals on Scruffybear.ca right now. So hopefully you'll give it a look and maybe grab something that you want or you've been waiting for. Other than that, that's basically it for Scruffybear.ca. I also want to bring to your attention that this is our contest. There's a number of cards in here. There's $100 worth of cards in here. There are 4 big hits. And this goes to the person that wins it. Once we get 100 subscribers, we will start the contest. Now, I started to open my box, and when my phone decided to reboot, I was explaining to everybody that this here is my friend. We grew up together, we went to school together, we played hockey together. Both of us were born in Newmarket. Both of us our home was in Stouffville, even though it says on the back of this card that the home is Newmarket. Really, everybody that lived in Stouffville was born in Newmarket, because there's no hospital in Stouffville. Well, there is now, but there wasn't at the time. So, as I said, we went to school together. We were both drafted by the Wexford Raiders. However, my career ended with a serious back injury. His went on to the NHL. I used to watch this guy doing his power skating drills, just before a game. Something that his dad had bought for him, which I guess helped him get to the NHL. But this is my friend, and I'm going to need his luck today, because I am breaking another Stamkos blaster, trying to get my Stamkos. I got the Stamkos Jumbo, but I don't have the Stamkos Young Guns. The Jumbo in this box says I already opened it, and when my phone rebooted, Luka Izbiza. So we'll put him over here. And I was saying that Stamkos Jumbo I have, but I don't have the official Young Gun. There's my packs. There's 8 packs and per box there, and there's 8 cards per pack. And we could get 2 Young Guns out of here and a jersey. So let's see what we can get. Okay, we got Nicholas Kronwall, Derek Roy, Pierre Bassani, Mike Green, Patrick Elias, Ian White, and we got Maxim Afinogenov Winter Classic Highlights. Come on, Keith, give me a Stamkos Young Gun, please. Give me some luck. Okay. We have Kerry Lettinen, Jonathan Toews, Nicholas Lindstrom, Martin Havlat, Ian White again, Lee Stempniak, Trent Hunter, and Henry Lundqvist. Base pack. Next one. David Booth, James Shepard, Curtis, and I got a Luke Shen young gun. Oh, I'll take that one, and I love my Leafs. Well, he wasn't as the Leafs now, but he was when he started. Chris Kunitz and Stepniak, Trent Hunter, and Henrik Lundqvist, Joe Thornton. Oh, one young gun's down. That's not hopeful. Come on, Stamkos. Next pack. Dustin Brown, Pierre-Marc Bouchard, Chris Osgood, Jack Johnson, Joe Thornton. Who's that guy? Oh, it's Rick DiPietro. And Paul Ranger and Paul Correa. Hope everybody is well and doing well. We got Joe Corvo, Pascal Leclerc, Marian Gaborik, a checklist of Sidney Crosby, Gonchar, Gagne, Latin Dress, and a hat trick heroes of Timo Solani. Nice. Okay. Olesk, Tolleson, Lombardi, and a Sidney Crosby's Hockey Heroes. Simon Gagne, Latin Dress, and Vermette, and Chichu. Could have sworn a few of those I just already mentioned. Okay, we have Lucic, Brad Richards, Drew Stafford, and Brian Lee Young Guns. No Stamkos today. Anton Vermette again, Chichu again, Mike Smith, and Scott Gomez. Well, that's disappointing. Means the hunt's still on, and Keith, you didn't do it for me today. Nielsen, Langkoff, Morrow, Wolski, and a jersey. Jesse Jokinen jersey. Nice. Mike Smith again, Scott Gomez again, Mike Green, and Patrick Elias again. Well, that's it, guys. We didn't get the Stamkos. Keep on trying. As a matter of fact, maybe next week's break, which is this one here, will help me cheat. Because there's definitely a Stamkos in here. But it's not his young guns. But we'll be breaking that one next week. That's it. We hope everybody's doing well. And before my phone decides to reboot again, I better make this short. So, check out Scruffybear.ca. Our sale goes until the 16th. Of course, we will have a Black Friday sale as well. Or if you're on Facebook, check out our Facebook shop. And soon we'll be on eBay, so you can find these cards out that we have on our site on eBay as well. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have something that you want to add. And please subscribe. When we get to 100 subscribers, we're going to have our contest. There's 4 big hits in there. And you won't be disappointed. The whole thing is worth about $100 because I really put some decent cards in there. So let's try to get the subscribers up. And in the meantime, If you like this video, give it a like. And please subscribe. So, talk to you later, and with our next break. Bye now.